Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen Apple from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're just taking a walk around a local park, and this is just on top, I think, of the tunnel from the airport towards the city, the Waterview Walk. Somehow, after the last flood, some of the bridges, the wooden bridges, had been washed away from this beautiful walk. And just behind me is Unitec and the old psychiatric hospital. There's a lot of renovation going around here, but this beautiful walk, it still exists. Hopefully we're going to get to some of the old bridges, the wooden bridges that have been washed away by the flood. However, what is this video about? Once again, just taking the time to enjoy your local surroundings. Making money, creating fortune is a full-time opportunity. You could be going to work to try and reach your fortunes. Nothing wrong with that. That's just part of the process. You need a bit of cash, need a bit of cash flow to be able to invest to grow your nest egg. Anything in life is possible. However, below this video, subscribe to my YouTube video so you can get a lot, not only just, cheap talk, reality, real things that you can apply for yourself to creating fortunes for the future. We're working right now with a couple of apps, online apps of course, and that was based really because around about 2007 I sold up and gave up all the land-based business because my family and I used to own a construction company, and somehow a revelation came through: get online, start building an online business. So since then, this focus and this idea and this understanding of building an online business is part of the art for fortune sort of attitude. Why? Who says we can? Why not? That's the beauty, the freedom of choice. Now, how can you build an online business? Simple. There's plenty of opportunities. You can be an affiliate. That means signing up with one of the good companies or great companies and be a salesperson for their company. That's literally what the affiliate marketing is all about. I'm just crossing one of the streams that leads down the Waitemata Harbour, and of course some of the notices that explains the stream. Anyway, the beauty about building an online business is you can access that business anywhere around the world with your smartphone, computers, or laptop, or whatever digital device that you have. It may take a little while to build it, but I tell you what, the opportunities are vast. Given the fact we are now with artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, with cryptocurrency, you can't miss. You just cannot miss reaching great fortunes with these opportunities. They're all digital products, of course. But at the same token, it is a vast opportunity. You and I can take advantage of it. Why? Why not? Why not? If you're not, somebody else is doing it, and you're going to be reading about their success in the news. My success is all to do with self-belief, trusting in yourself, trusting what God shows you in dreams and visions. Because those things will guide you through the time of doubting yourself, of course. And you don't have time to doubt yourself. You can only keep going. It's like a sports person trying to reach, to say, the Olympics. You just got to keep at it, keep going. Keep at it, keep going, keep trying, keep investing. That's more important. If it's money that you're after, you got to learn to invest money. Investing money, it's easy. Okay, it's really, really easy. You only got to sign up with a bank, go see your bank to open up a stock market trading account. That will access you to the stock market to buy, sell stocks that you wish, or you buy and hold stocks that you love to hold on to. And you keep buying as many shares of that stocks every time the price falls. So if you say, for example, you bought it for $1 and it drops down to, say, 50 cents, buy as much as you can at 50 cents. That's a simple strategy. Now, that's on the stock market. On the other front, it's called financial market, where you can access trading on the Forex. That's foreign exchange currencies, of course. And at the same time, you can trade cryptocurrencies. And there's another thing called high-frequency trading. That is fast, and you got to be good at it. There are a lot of these companies now producing high-frequency trading platforms where you can accumulate your income in say 5 seconds. That's how fast some of these high frequency trading platforms are providing. But of course, on the opposite side, you can lose. But we don't focus on losing, because life is full of losers. Life is full of things that can happen, which most people call lost, lose, negativity, you name it. But the reality is, from this time forward, it's just not your time yet. It's not your time yet to be successful. So the opportunity to keep trying, make sure that you continue the momentum, because you don't want to lose momentum. Once you start losing momentum or whatever that is, you lost your path. But of course, if you have a good, strong vision, a dream, helped now by a vision board, you'd be surprised what you can do. Those are things, unless you have a personal coach to make sure you do the things that's required of you to reach your great fortunes. Now, I don't know if this video will continue, because I'm hoping to get to the waterfall, Waterview Waterfall. That's just down the left side going to Avondale from Great North. Oh, Great North Road. Now, here's one bridge, wooden bridge that got washed away. And here we are, just sitting up here, doing nothing. But hopefully the council or the community will come together and continue this repairing and maintaining this beautiful path. However, as I said, subscribe to my video. There should be some links down the bottom to join some of these wonderful apps that can help you generate great income. One of them I certainly most advise, XM Binary. There should be a link down the bottom here. And if you haven't done so, you got to get yourself a cryptocurrency exchange. It's a bank that allows you to buy cryptocurrencies, because your normal bank can't do that for you. So the setup has been provided for people to buy cryptocurrency coins with other apps. Here's another bridge that got washed away just behind me. So anyway, we continue this process. We're going to continue walking this path. Here's another bridge down the bottom here, all wasted in the water. We're going to continue our walk. It's a beautiful, beautiful walk. As you can see, it's all concrete paths. And these are the sort of or the scale of what can you call it, infrastructure to have people enjoy these, these sceneries and at a walking distance from where they are. So of course, the wonderful thing about it, as I said, it's just down the road from all of us. And up above me now, there's a bridge crossing from the Unitec to the Avondale side. Let's have a look at it. That's a walkway bridge from Unitec to the Waterview side. Anyway, let's continue. Here we go. Half the bridge gone, and we have come to a sort of a no-go zone. But I'm going to try and navigate across that little bit of stream down the bottom here to get to the other side. Once I get to the other side, I will continue, otherwise I've got to backtrack. How are we going to do this? Hold on, if I lose my phone, I blame you. Here we go. Okay, we just crossed the path. We made it across without falling into the water. So anyway, we're on the other side of the stream now, and hopefully we can get to the waterfall. And this waterfall is quite nice actually when it's a rainy season. You can actually come and really enjoy it. In summer, if we get a bit of rain, it's really nice. Seasonal. Anyway, here's the path continuing. It's all concreted. But anyway, what is this got to do with creating fortunes? Well, creating fortunes is very similar like this path I'm walking on. It's not always straight, and sometimes something comes and washes away some of the goodness on it, like the bridge. Life, creating fortunes is no similar. It's very similar. And as you can see, maintenance have done a little bit of work here. Creating fortune, once again, it's also just a mindset. You get a good, strong mindset, believe in it, trust it. And here we go. Here's another obstacle we're going to go under and over. And it's just part of life. I think creating fortunes in a very similar sort of manner. Oh, excuse me. I got to bend the old knees. Get back into the other side. But it certainly needs the maintenance crew to come down with their chainsaw and give this place a good going over. Now, that's reality. And we will face those sort of circumstances. As I said, trying to create fortunes. You're going to have obstacles. Just don't give up. Imagine I come around here now. Here's another obstacle in our path. Just imagine I come up to this now, in an obstacle, and I say, oh, bugger it, I'm going to get over it. It's pretty simple. Just get underneath it, get over it, stop complaining about it. Well, most of us spend all our energy complaining about situations, how you don't have the money, how you're working hard. But did you know it takes a little bit of sacrifice sometimes, or most times, to get investment portfolios up or invest some of your income? Sacrifice means go make your lunch, take it to work, stop buying that coffee, that $6 coffee. That $6 could be invested. And again, simple things like that. If you think obstacles is going to be in your way, hey, welcome to the world. We all face them. We just don't talk about it. Meaning we don't spend our energy talking about obstacles, because our energy is needed to look for the positives. So again, it's up to us to change those mindset. The mindset. More importantly, my friend, stay right away from scams. This is Stephen R. from Mindful Fortune, creating fortune for the future. We love you. God loves you. And we'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.